awesome Saturday. So as you guys know, I will let you know if I find anything good for plants or if I get to find any plants. Okay guys? See you later. Today's my lucky day. I did find succulents. I found a lot of different calanchoes and this little cute baby flapjack. It is so doggone cute. So yeah, this is what I found and I already paid. I bought these two, this one and that one. And a cute red dress to hang around in. And that's what I got back from yard sales. I finished and I just wanted to show you this planter. So all I was able to find was plant related is only those two plants that I showed you, the kalanchoe and the flapjack, and this big pot. This big pot was $4, guys. That's a pretty big pot. Here's my hand. So yeah, it's a pretty big pot, and then it's a good deal. And then and the plants were, one was $2, the kalanchoe was $2, and the flapjack was $1. So guys, you know how I told you my husband finds stuff that people throw away? So he brought this to see if I was interested in it for my plants, and of course these, look, brand new. Somebody just threw it out, brand new. So obviously, yes, I want it. So yep, he got me this cute pot, which I need to make a hole on, drainage, and these beautiful rocks and the glass I can use, and this pot. Well, it's not a pot, it's a basket, but I can drop a pot in there and see how it looks. And then this cute vase, I really like it. I can picture some beautiful string of pearls coming out of it. Guys, I want to give a shout out to my husband because he started doing YouTube videos. His channel is MONOFRIO. It's a Spanish name. He just always he's always used that name forever. I don't know how the name came up, but yes. So I'm gonna link his description at the bottom below, and I just want you guys to show him some love on his channel. His channel is about how he finds stuff in the garbage, and you'll see him picking this stuff up and a bunch of other things that he might be able to make money off on. Okay guys, so go ahead and check his channel, and I hope you guys show him some love. Let him know that you're from the Succulent Greenhouse, that you guys are watching him because I sent you over there so he can see. Thank you guys so much for watching and all your support. You guys have a blessed day. Bye guys.